Search is one of the most powerful ways to grow your new channel. I'll tell you why and how to harness it coming right up. Hey everyone, I'm Tiffany, and on this channel I talk YouTube strategy and creator tips. YouTube is the world's largest search engine after Google. It's also owned by Google, which means that its search engine is pretty sophisticated. It also means that your YouTube videos can show up in regular Google search results. So just why is search an excellent strategy for new channels? Well, when you're new, no one's really looking for you. If you show up on the home page as people are browsing, they're not familiar with you or your thumbnails, your face. But they are asking questions. They are searching for topics that they're interested in. If you can make a video on a topic that people are interested in, then your video could show up in their search results. The more you work on your keywords and your popular search topics, the more the odds of your video getting found in search increase. And if your video ranks for search, and by ranks I mean it shows up near the top of the search results, the more the chances that people will click on it. Because how many people really go further than the first 5 videos anyhow when they're searching for something? If you want to go really deep on this, I do a whole video about Sean Cannell's Video Ranking Academy, which I've taken. I think it's great. Link to that below. It's hard to overestimate the power of search, especially when you consider that people could be searching for the topic you made your video on for weeks, months, even years to come. Check out how some of my videos have done. I'm not signed into Google here, but when I search TikTok creator versus business account, well, look who's in spot number 2. And remember, this is general Google search under videos. Main takeaway here, you can be discovered in other places besides YouTube. Now let's change the search to another topic on TikTok trending sounds. And my video is number 1. That's filtered with videos. But check out how it does when I do a general search. You know what this means? Google's prioritizing video in search. Meanwhile, the success doesn't stop here. These videos are also doing great in YouTube search. Hey, I'll take it. Search tools. Now there's a lot of search tools out there, and many of the paid ones have some free version that is quite valuable. vidIQ is a great one. I'm using the free version. I've heard TubeBuddy is also great. Ubersuggest is something to consider as well. But you know what I also really like? It's the easiest, it's right there, and it's totally free. The YouTube search box. I love just typing entire phrases in there and seeing what auto-populates before or after. Some people use keyword interchangeably for a keyword phrase. Just think about what words people are typing into that box when they want to find a certain video. You've probably done it yourself a bunch of times. You could type in how to grow on YouTube and seeing what pops up. You could go even more in depth by going through all the letters of the alphabet after your keyword phrase. I do it myself sometimes simply by typing space A, space B, space C, views while you snooze. Now, I mentioned this before, but let's touch on it again. If you're making a video about a popular topic, even better if there's low competition on this topic, but I wouldn't let high competition always stop you. If you have a particular take on something, or if you have an updated experience, your video could beat out the other ones. And then when people keep searching on that topic into the future, your video that you made ages ago is getting views while you snooze. And if you're monetized, it's making you money. So now for the action items. Make videos on topics that people are searching for. Answer specific questions. Make a whole group of videos around a popular topic. Research before you press record. Do a little recon. Check out other popular videos on the topic. Is the one that's got 1 million views 3 years old? Then there's room for your new video. And you don't want to just copy other people's videos. Can you get more specific? What's your personal take or twist on the topic? Include those keywords in your title, in your description box, and make sure you say them out loud during your video. Because would you say them silently? Yeah, I Yes, that was redundant. And if you create authority on a certain topic, your videos will do even better in search. So what does this mean? It means that YouTube is starting to recognize you as someone who makes videos on these keywords. So they'll start serving them up to people who are searching for those keywords or who've watched videos for those keywords in the past. And if you found some keywords that are working for you, double down on them. Triple down. I mean, you don't have to make videos for search, but I think we all want to make videos that people actually want to watch. And if you're worried that popular keywords just aren't your thing, not your passion, not your niche, there's usually a way you can angle what you want to talk about in a way that fits with what people are searching for. So let me know, how do you decide the topics for your video? Do they just come to you? Or do you do research first? Are you using search tools? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. If you got value out of this video, give it a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.